Imagine a world where living forever wasn't just a dream, where immortality was more than a myth. For centuries, humans have searched for the key to eternal life. But what if I told you there's already a creature on Earth that may hold the secret to defying death? Deep in the vast oceans, where life moves in mysterious ways, there exists a creature unlike any other. Small, almost invisible to the naked eye, but holding one of nature's greatest secrets. Meet the Turritopsis dohrnii, or as it's more commonly known, the immortal jellyfish. This tiny creature, no bigger than a human fingernail, may seem unremarkable at first glance. Floating gracefully through the water, it pulses along with the current like any ordinary jellyfish. But what makes it extraordinary is what happens when it's faced with injury, illness, or even old age. When most creatures grow old, they weaken, and eventually life comes to an end. But not for the immortal jellyfish. Instead of dying, this jellyfish does something that scientists once thought impossible. It turns back the clock. The process is called transdifferentiation, and it's a marvel of nature. Essentially, the jellyfish has the unique ability to reprogram its cells, transforming them back into earlier, more versatile forms. Imagine if a butterfly, after living its life as an adult, could suddenly change back into a caterpillar and start its life all over again. When it faces a threat, whether it's physical damage, starvation, or simply old age, the immortal jellyfish begins its incredible transformation. It shrinks down, returning to its earliest form, a tiny polyp attached to the ocean floor. From there, it regrows, not as an old, weakened jellyfish, but as a brand new one, starting its life all over. This cycle can repeat over and over, theoretically forever, which is why this jellyfish has earned the name immortal. In the animal kingdom, where everything eventually dies, this creature stands alone, defying the natural process of aging and death. But how does this happen? How can something so small manage to cheat death? It all comes down to its remarkable cellular makeup. The jellyfish's cells are highly adaptable. When the jellyfish enters this reverse aging state, its adult cells don't die off like ours do. Instead, they change form, becoming more like the stem cells found in human embryo cells that can turn into any type of tissue the body needs. Think of it as resetting the clock. The jellyfish wipes the slate clean and starts fresh every time it encounters trouble. But what's even more fascinating is that this isn't just a random act of survival. It's a well-coordinated biological process, honed over millions of years of evolution. Now, it's important to note that while the immortal jellyfish can potentially live forever, it isn't invincible. It still faces predators in the wild, and environmental changes can affect its chances of survival. So while its aging process can be reversed, outside forces like hungry fish or changes in ocean conditions can still bring an end to its journey. The question that fascinates scientists is whether we can learn something from this tiny creature. Could this jellyfish hold the key to understanding aging in humans? Could we one day find a way to stop or even reverse the aging process in ourselves? While it's still far too early to say, researchers are diving deeper into the biology of the immortal jellyfish, hoping that its secrets might one day unlock the mysteries of aging. Imagine if the processes inside this jellyfish could be harnessed in some way. It might change the way we think about life, longevity, and even medicine. But for now, the immortal jellyfish remains an enigma, continuing its endless cycle of life and rebirth in the depths of the ocean. This remarkable creature reminds us just how little we still know about our world's oceans. While we've mapped the surface of the moon and sent spacecraft to other planets, the ocean holds secrets we've barely begun to uncover. And this tiny, seemingly simple jellyfish is one of its greatest mysteries. In the grand scheme of things, the immortal jellyfish may be small, but its ability to defy death makes it one of the most astonishing creatures on Earth. It's a reminder of the incredible adaptability of life and the many wonders still waiting to be discovered in the depths below. So the next time you think of the ocean, remember the immortal jellyfish, a creature that challenges our very understanding of life and death, offering a glimpse into the astonishing world beneath the waves. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this journey, please like the video and subscribe to Curious Wonders to catch our latest discoveries. Your support means a lot and keeps us inspired to bring you more amazing content. See you in the next one.